Hello students, today I will discuss about Boolean algebra and digital electronics. Introduction. In mathematics and mathematical logic, Boolean algebra is the branch of algebra in which the values of the variables are the truth values, true and false, usually denoted 1 and 0 respectively. Boolean algebra was introduced by George Boole in his first book, The Mathematical Analysis of Logic, in 1847. The term Boolean algebra was first suggested by Schaeffer in 1913. A set of rules or laws of Boolean algebra expressions have been invented to help reduce the number of logic gates needed to perform a particular logic operation, resulting in a list of functions or theorem known commonly as the laws of Boolean algebra. A Boolean operator can be completely described using a truth table. The truth table for the Boolean operators and or are shown at the right. The AND operator is also known as a Boolean product. The OR operator is the Boolean sum. The truth table for the Boolean NOT operator is shown at the right. The NOT operation is most often designated by an overbar. It is sometimes indicated by a prime mark or an elbow. A Boolean function has at least one Boolean variable, at least one Boolean operator and at least one input from the set 0 and 1. It produces an output that is also a member of the set 0 and 1. The truth table for the Boolean function x dot z bar plus y is shown at the right. To make evaluation of the Boolean function easier, the truth table contains extra column to hold evaluations of subparts of the function. As with common arithmetic, Boolean operations have rules of precedence. The NOT operator has highest priority, followed by and then OR. This is how we choose the function subpart in our table. Digital computers contain circuits that implement Boolean functions. The simpler that we can make a Boolean function, the smaller the circuit that will result. Simpler circuits are cheaper to build, consume less power and run faster than complex circuit. With this in mind, we always want to reduce our Boolean function to their simplest form. There are a number of Boolean identities that help us to do this. Most Boolean identities have an AND or product form as well as an or sum form. We give our identities using both forms. Our first group is rather intuitive. First column identity name, second column AND form and third column OR form. First law, identity law, 1 dot x equal to x, 0 plus x equal to x. Null law, 0 dot x equal to 0 and 1 plus x equal to 1. idempotent law, x dot x equal to x, x plus x equal to x. Inverse law, x dot x bar equal to 0, x plus x bar equal to 1. Our second group of Boolean identities should be familiar to you from our study of algebra. Commutative law, x dot y equal to y dot x, x plus y equal to y plus x. Associative law, xy in bracket x dot y in bracket into z dot z plus x dot y dot z in bracket, and x plus y in bracket plus z equal to x plus y plus z, y and z in bracket. Distributive law, x plus yz equal to x plus y dot x plus z and x dot y plus z equal to xy plus xz. Our last group of Boolean identities are perhaps the most useful. If you have studies set of theory or formal logic, these laws are also familiar to you. Absorption law, which is x dot x plus y equal to x or x plus xy equal to x. De Morgan's law, x dot y whole bar equal to x bar plus y bar and x plus y whole bar equal to x bar dot y bar. Double complement law, x double bar equal to x. Okay, the next part of this topic we will discuss in next video of Boolean algebra. Thank you.